Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your same girl, igboticnono.
Getting sick of all the small town talking. Getting sick.
So guys, like I said, on this channel you're going to be learning how to speak Igbo fluently. What did I say? Fluently. And I also said you should make sure at every end of this very lesson you save this video in your watch later and watch and practice it consistently, and trust me, you will be very perfect. On this channel you're going to be learning the minimal Igbos, the sentences before we graduate to the, of course, the bigger ones. So you're going to be learning one or two how to make sentences in Igbo, how to know insects and animals in Igbo, objects and stuffs like that in Igbo. So without further ado, let's dive in. So welcome back guys. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please do. Please do. So in today's video we're going to be learning insects. Insects. Ahuhu. Insects. Ahuhu. Insects means ahuhu in Igbo. We're going to be learning various types and names of insects in Igbo. So number one is ahuhu. Ant. Ahuhu. Try it. Yeah? Ant. Ahuhu. Ahuhu. And the next one is bee. You know the bee that stinks on the body? The bee that produces honey? Yeah, right? Bee. Bee. Yeah, and try that. Bee. Butterfly. Oboba. Butterfly. Oboba. Butterfly. Oboba. Caterpillar. Eru. Caterpillar. Eru. Caterpillar. Eru. Cockroach. Uchicha. Cockroach. Uchicha. Cockroach. Uchicha. Mosquito. Anwunta. You know mosquito? Anwunta. Just say, watch my lips, follow my lips, and pronounce it. Mosquito. Anwunta. Mosquito. Anwunta. Spider. Ududo. Spider. Ududo. Termite. Akika. Termite. Akika. Akika. Tick. Igbo. These ticks, they used to live inside the hair. That I know, yeah. Tick. Igbo. Tick. Igbo. Let me tell you guys a short story. I was a boarder, and in the boarding school we were making our hair in school, and most students, especially junior students, they had Igbo on their hair. They had Igbo tick inside their hair, and this Igbo breathes inside of your hair and scratches you and makes you very uneasy and sucks your blood. So then in school, in boarding school, what we do is, if you have Igbo, you just put mosquito shelters, insecticide, into your head and cover it, for some hour. Then, of course, comb your hair out and every of them falls out. Some people also use comfort, and it also kills them and falls out as well. So it's called tick. Igbo. Wasps. It sounds like big. Worm. Oh. You know worm? Yeah. Worm. Oh. Follow my lips and pronounce, after me. Yeah. Oh. So guys, this brings us to the end of this video. This is actually a very short video. These are mostly the insects that you will come across if you come back to your country land, if you come back to your village, or if you meet your fellow dialect people. Most times these insects breed around us. So I made sure I selected the insects that most times you will find out is within you, around you. Termite, cockroaches, and mosquito, bee, wasp, ticks, all these things are mostly around you. So you can also, you know, learn this. Hope you learned one or two from this video. Don't forget to share it to your friends in diaspora that also want to learn, you know, Igbo from there to there. And also don't forget to subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up if you end up enjoying it. If you don't, still give it a thumbs up because I'm putting out content out here. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Make sure you are present. I'm a fire dancer. Maybe one of these days I'll come and dance for you guys. You know, they say fire dancers don't say they're fire dancers. I think it's just start to dance. Don't mind me. See you guys in my next video. Bye.